Good afternoon, students. Today's topic is square numbers. We have already done square numbers. What we are going to do today is just a quick revision of square number. What is a square number? Any natural number p which can be represented as y square, where y is a natural number, then p is called square number. What is saying that any natural number counting numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, so on up to infinity, which can be represented as y square. For example, if you had here, what is natural number? Natural number is 4. And can we write it as y? Y means number itself. Here it is number 4. Can we write it as 2 multiplied 2? That is 2 square. The number that is given, we have to find any number, square of which is that given number. For example, here natural number is 4, so we have written it as 2 square. So 4 is a perfect so p is a square number. Similarly, 9 can be written as 3 square, 16 can be written as 4 square. Can we write 15? No. Why? 15, just look, 2 square is called 4, 3 square is called 9, 4 square is called 16. We need less than 16, 15. Is there any number between? Look, we have to take natural numbers. We don't have to take this decimal and all that. So it is not possible to 15 is not a square. 5 is not a square. Why? Because we cannot find any number which can be represented as it is square. Here sum of square number. 1 square, this is a table you must remember. It is easy to find the square of any number. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square. You have to multiply that number with the number itself and you will get the number. But you must remember these 15, 30 numbers, square of these numbers, because most of times questions are being asked related to these square numbers, and if you are aware of the square of these numbers, then it is going to save lot of time. Now we come to the next part, that is properties of square numbers. We can see that square numbers are ending with 0, 1, 4, 5, 6, 9 only. None of the square number is ending with 2, 3, 7 or 8. Look, 1 square is 1. Unit place is what? 1. Unit place is 4, 9, 6. Can you find any number whose square having unit digit 2? Just look at over here. No. Having unit digit 3? No. 7 or 8. This is any number having 1 or 9. It is one's place will always have square ending with 1. For example, you have 9. Any number 1 or 9. It is square is going to be it is square. You can find it is square, but what you can do, you can find it is unit place without multiplying it. For example, 9. What is the unit place? It is going to be 1. Why? Because any number having 9 in its one's place will always have a square ending with 9. For example, here you have 11. So it is unit place is 1. So it is going to end with, it is unit square of this particular number is going to be unit place 1, and same way. Any number which has 4 or 6 in its unit place, it is square will always end with 6. This is also 4, 16. For example, you have given 6. 6 ka square is equal to 6 square is equal to 36. One's place is 6. So when you have number, any number which in its unit place have 4 or 6, then the square of that particular number, whichever it is going to come out, whichever number is going to come out, but at the unit place you are going to find 6. These are the properties of any number which has 0 in its unit place. Its square will always have an even number of zeros at end. 0, this is important. If you have any number which has 0 in its unit place, 0, if any number having 0 in its unit place, then it is resultant. Its square is going to have even zeros. Even zeros mean 2, 4, 6, like 0, 10, 100, 2 zeros, even zeros, 50, 25, 100, 4 zeros, 0, 2 zeros, so on.